Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to share with you how you should dress for a modeling audition. All right guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling. Now, one thing that does happen sometimes at modeling auditions I've noticed is that girls will show up dressed to the nines with full hair, full makeup. That's not at all how you show up to an audition. So before I jump into the different tips for how you should dress for a modeling audition, down below in the description I've got links for all the different things that we're going to talk about here, so make sure you guys check those out. First off is that you should be wearing all black. So wear a black top and a black bottom. It's better if you wear pants instead of a skirt or shorts. Now, if you're told to bring something else, then obviously you do that, but that's very, very rare. We always ask just, black shirt, black pants when you're coming to a modeling audition. So make sure you have those. You can check out, like I said, down below, we've got links on some suggestions for pants and for shirts to wear to modeling auditions. Next up is to always bring your heels. Even if you're coming from someplace else, you can bring your heels with you. Switch out before you walk in there, so you've already got your heels. You can show them that you're confident and ready to strut your stuff and show them what you can do in those heels. So make sure that you bring your heels. It's going to really count against you if you show up and you don't have the proper shoes to walk in, because we need to see what you can do in heels. All right. Next one is that your clothing shouldn't be too tight and it shouldn't be too loose. So you don't want something that's so tight that it actually is uncomfortable for you. You don't want to wear pants that are so tight that it makes you look a little bit awkward. You know how that can look sometimes when you're wearing clothing that is too tight. It makes things kind of bulge out. Even though you look good and you're in good health, it does look a little bit strange when you're wearing stuff that's too tight. And if you're wearing stuff that's too loose, it's hard to tell what your body shape is and what you look like if you're wearing, a sweatshirt and sweatpants to your modeling audition. And next up is to really just think simple is what you're looking for. So you want to show up and take the focus really off of you. Like I said, some examples down below, and you can even go ahead and order those if you're looking for a top or a bottom or some shoes. Just real simple. You don't need something with a big word across the front or anything like that. You shouldn't be wearing a shirt from your modeling school, or just this is the only black shirt I had and it's got a picture of Marilyn Monroe or whatever sitting on the front of it. You just want it to be plain. Nothing on the front of your shirt, nothing on the back of your shirt. And the same thing with your jeans. We do get asked a lot if it matters if your pants have rips in them. It's really not a huge deal, but you don't want to have rips so big that we're basically just looking at your legs and not, covering enough so that you're wearing all black. Hope these tips help you out on how you should dress for your next modeling audition. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll catch you next time.